I know some of you have been waiting a long time for a new step-by-step course from Deanne Fitzpatrick Studio. And I've got one for you. I've got a new course and pattern and kit if you want a complete kit. And it's a special one because it's sort of a collaborative idea that Lorna, who works in the studio with me, has always wanted me to do. And I said, this year, I'm going to do it. So are you wondering what we're going to do? Well, come on, let's show you right here. This is called Out Lorna'S Window. And we had John, our frame maker, make a special frame for it, which he will custom make for you if you want one. Or you can just buy the pattern if you just want the pattern. And it's called Out Lorna'S Window. And it's a step-by-step course. So we start with the blue hydrangeas. And I grow blue hydrangea myself and think they're so beautiful and love them. And I teach you every little thing. So from the bushes to the houses to the landscape, way out to the sea, across the bay, and up to that circular sort of, well, that's kind of like a little bit of a chrysanthemum sky in there. So this step-by-step course is available now at Deanne Fitzpatrick Studio at hookingrugs.com. And the idea is that sometimes people take an antique window, and you could do that if you wanted to, or you can just hook the patterns individually as 1, 2, 3, 4 if you want to cross. But the pattern is available at Deanne Fitzpatrick Studio at hookingrugs.com. You can get it as a complete kit. You can say, I want it all. I want the frame, I want the pattern, I want the course, I want the works, I want all the wool. Or you can just buy the items individually if you prefer that. The course is on sale now, and you can save $20 on the course until May 15th. So I would get on there and have a look, and it's right on the front page of our website. It's Out Lorna'S Window. It's the blue hydrangea step-by-step rug hooking course from Deanne Fitzpatrick Studio. And me, I'm teaching you how to do it, one step at a time. See ya. hookingrugs.com.